It's Blaze's plane! Oh, it doesn't break. A wing? I want to fly! Ouch! Oh, wheels! I can use them. What a nice weather for flying. Oh, what happened to my plane? Ugh. Where are the wheels? Blaze, what happened? Someone took wheels off my plane. I'm sure we'll find them. Look, there are traces here. I guess I know who did this. Just you wait, Crusher. Well, where can I hide it? Oh, that's what I need. Blaze, I can't catch up to you. Wait for me. We don't have much time. We need to hurry. Ouch! 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 Wait! I'll help you. Oh, take your time. We'll find him anyway. Oh, look! I see him. Oh, they found me. I didn't have enough time to hide it. Hold him. These wheels are too heavy. Oh, great. A bog. If I can't have it, nobody can. I see him. Blaze, the wheels are here. They're drowning. Grr. I'll deal with you later, Crusher. Oh. I can't do it. I have to try something else. I have a rope in my trunk. It's stuck. Help me, Blaze. One, two, three, pull! We did it! Now we need to install the wheels back to their place. I'll help you. Now we can go flying. Yoo-hoo!
You can't catch me. Now you can't catch me. It's so fast. Let's follow it. It's too narrow. I can't squeeze in. Maybe like this? Oh, I did it! But not this time. Let's go around. No, that won't do. I know. Let's build a ramp. I'll be first. The horse is already here. We should have lunch too. Let's go to the gas station.
Hooray! The rain is over!
Oof, oof, oof.
Whoa, the dam lake is full. The dam can burst at any moment. What do we do? Blaze, Crusher, can you help us? Don't worry, we'll reinforce the dam, but we need your help. Hurry up, guys! Crusher, give me a boost. The dam is ready. We forgot to seal the gaps. I'll bring the cement in no time. The town is safe now. Hooray! Thanks to BoysTToyZZ. And thanks to you all because we did it together. Blaze, we need to bring in the harvest. Yes, I'll get the trailer. Wow, with this trailer, we'll be able to carry lots of fruits and vegetables. Let's go. Ooh, the apples are already falling. It's sweet. They're ripe. Fill her up. Can you take 2 at once? That's easy. Got it. Only 1 apple left. Crusher,
help me get it. Let's see what's grown in the garden. A watermelon. It's so big. A pineapple. Delicious. I'll get the strawberries. I found one. Another strawberry. It's huge. The watermelon broke. Don't worry, Blaze. Let's eat it right here. It's so sweet. Let's load the pineapple and get going. Ugh, the trailer's much heavier now. Crusher, help. Of course, friend. Just a little farther. Whoa, what happened? Why have we stopped? Huh? Oh no! There's only one thing to do. Build a bridge. You're right. I'll go look for boards. And I'll look for supports. Nothing here. Or here. Oh, I found something. I'll just need one. What can we use for supports? No, that's not it. Maybe these. Ah, these will do great. Oh, it's so heavy. What are those for? These are our supports. We need to put them in the middle of the river so the bridge won't break. All done. Just a little more. We did it! Be careful. Blaze, the wheel! Oh no, what did I do? Don't worry, we'll get it out. Pull! Great! Whew, we did it! Of course, we're a team.